Want to remove unwanted pauses, mistakes, or extra footage from your videos like a pro? In this video, you will learn the exact step-by-step method to trim and cut clips in CapCut Mobile. First, tap the clip in your timeline. You will see two white handles, one at the start and one at the end. To trim the start, drag the left handle to the right. To trim the end, drag the right handle to the left. Next, to remove a mistake from the middle, drag the white playhead line to where the mistake begins. Tap the split icon at the bottom. Your clip is now cut into two parts. Now, move the playhead to where the mistake ends and tap split again. Select the middle unwanted piece and tap the delete button at the bottom right. Here's a hidden pro tip that many beginners miss. If you make a mistake, tap the undo arrow at the top right. Also, tapping the small white box between your split clips lets you add smooth transitions instantly. That is how simple it is to trim and cut your clips in CapCut Mobile. In the next lesson, we will cover how to add text and animations. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to How to AI King for more quick tutorials.